Hello, for this video I'm going to talk about a certain type of model of communications. But first, I'm going to tell you some of the model of communications before we proceed to that topic. So, here we go. So the first one on the list of model of communication is the linear model of communication. The second one is the Shannon-Weaver model of communication. The third one is the interactive model of communication. Fourth is the transactional model of communication. Fifth is the Aristotle model of communication. Sixth one is the helical model of communication. The seventh one is the Ehrlich-Schramm model of communication, and the last one is the Wesley and MacLean model of communication. So that is some of the model of communication that are available and was made by the geniuses and brilliant-minded people. But in this video, I'm going to talk about the linear model of communication and its example. So, what is the linear model of communication? The linear model of communication is an uncomplicated, direct way to comprehend how two different parties communicate with one another. This single directional process occurs when a sender passes along a message without any feedback response from the receiver. So it basically a sender send a message, informations, or some types of message, but the receiver will not respond from it. They will just receive the message or informations from the sender. From this point, I will give an example, a best example of linear model of communication. So for me, the best example of linear model of communication is a radio broadcasting. Radio broadcasting involves a sender sending a message to a large group of receivers, such as music or news informations or programs. This type of communication does not include any dialogue between the parties and its sender. Usually, it is only used for entertainment and information purposes only.